Hey everybody, it's Mindy, and guess what I have? Another Craftibly. This one's a little smaller. My tube is pretty much as short as it'll get, I think. I have undone it a little bit here so that it wouldn't make so much noise getting it out of this plastic. So there, it's out. All right, so what do I have today to show you in the smaller Craftibly tube? Okay, it can still get just as large as the others, right? You got this handle, this telescopic thing. Well, actually, this might be a smaller tube. I don't think so. This one will get as large, maybe? I don't know. I could be wrong. Anyhow, let's look and see what we have. My picture is over here on the card hanging off. So, yeah. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, as soon as it decides to come off. There's our toolkit. Here's our painting, and here's our paperwork. So a couple people have put out some videos of going to Craftibly and helping on the 4th of July, and it was very interesting to see what they did, how they were responsible for putting the papers in here and things like that, putting a barcode on so that they're ready to just grab off the shelves. And I mean, it was pretty cool. They put the paperwork in there, and I think now they're actually rubber banding it so that it stays put. So, I mean, what a production. I really enjoyed watching those videos. It was quite the production. Anyhow, here's our toolkit. We got the soft burlap bag. I'm always excited to open this. I mean, it's a toolkit, right? Tools are pretty much the same, except when you're talking about Craftibly and you get your washi tape and you get a cover minder in there, and you don't know what they're gonna be. It's like a little surprise. Surprise, what did I get? So here's the basic tools. Basic tools are here. All right, everything you'll need to diamond paint. Comes in a little bag, says Craftibly. You got a squishy for your pen. There's your pen, has a 4-placer on it. We got some sharp tweezers. These are bent on purpose, the little caps now to keep them on better. I did not know that, but nice sharp tweezers. They're also kind of squared. See how they're a little more square, if you can tell? Yeah. All by design, apparently. We got a couple more thin multi-placers, a 4 and a 7, and our tray and our wax. All right, so that's your basic tools to diamond paint with. Then the fun stuff, the extra stuff is in here. This is the part I like. All right, what do we get? What do we get? What do we get? What do we get? Okay. So we got 2 of the pots of Craftibly wax. 2. We have 2 washi tapes. Oh, look at, we have Paris. That's cute. And then we have orange polka dots. Nice. Come on. Focus, please, for the people. Focus for the people. There you go. There's our washi tapes. They're just random choices when you get a washi tape, just so you'll know. And then here's my cover minder. And what did I get? Oh, I got a raindrop thing. Oh, I love these. These are so cute. I got a pink raindrop or purple raindrop on my first kit. Now I got this like pearlescent-y kind of glittery raindrop. I got another raindrop. Cool. I love them. Love them. Love them. Love them. Okay. All right. My case was undone, but now it's hooked. Okay. What did I get? What did I get? Here's our paperwork. Tells you how to diamond paint. Talks about the washi tape, talks about the cover minders, talks about all the new things in their kit, the 4.0 version. I've gone over this several times. You can read it for yourself if you'd like, but I mean, they got new special max luster diamonds, the burlap bag for your tools, a tree planted for every order, just all the good stuff, the peelable labels, the washi tapes, everything. It's all on there. And here are our labels. This one has 38 colors. It does have the name down here. It's called Faces of Fairy, Jasmine Beckett Griffith, 12 by 12. Here's all of our labels. And what looks like we have 1, 2, and 3 ABs. I'm gonna guess white, yellow, and blue maybe? We'll see. We'll see when we open them. We'll see. You guys, this stuff is starting to ship out. They're working by the date that you ordered. So if you ordered early in March, I think those are going to go out first, and they're working through the orders. If you haven't purchased from them and you would like to, please go check them out. They have plenty of stuff in stock. I think they have run out of 2 paintings, I think. But they ordered extras of everything above and beyond what people had pre-ordered. There she is. Now, I'll tell you right up front, I'm not a huge Jasmine Beckett Griffith fan because I think they look very sad most of the time. Or they got this dark eye thing going on. But she really didn't. She looks kind of cute. Her eyes are brighter. And look what she's holding. And look what's in her hair. The breast cancer ribbon. So, yeah, I got this one. All right. So, let me show it to you. You can use my code if you want to go check out Craftibly and purchase. It's Mindy15. It will save you 15% off an order of $50 or more. And they are working their tails off over there, you guys, to get things out to people as quickly as possible. So you won't have to wait long. All right, let's get our tape off here and let's get into it. It does have a very nice soft back. I like that. Okay, I thought it was right there, but maybe not. I can't find the end of my tape. All right, hang on. Let's get us a little knifey out here. Can't find the end of the tape. We'll do it this way. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, there we go. Okay, get the tape off. Holds everything together nicely for you. Holds it all together. Okay, come on, get off my finger. Okay, so it's just a little one, and I think it's just going to be cute and adorable, and it's meaningful for me, you know. So, all right, here's our drills, all pre-bagged. Gotta love that, right? Craftibly on the sparkle canvas. It does sparkle. Can you see this? Oh yeah, there's the sparkles. Okay, there's the sparkles. Here's our drill field. Look at how clear that is. Everything looks really nice. I think this is a square. I think. We'll find out in a second. But isn't she cute? She really is cute. Our legend on both sides. Information at the bottom. Faces of Fairy 177. Their licensing information. Isn't she cute? That would be fun to do. Just a fun, cute little, yeah. Well, let's check this out. Let's check out these drills and let's see where our ABs are and what colors they are. That little thing has 3 of them. Yeah, a little 12 by 12 has 3 ABs. These are all in the bag in order. Okay, they're all in order. I'm gonna mess it up though. I'm messing it up. All right. So let's look at these pretty colors. I cannot believe there's 38 of them here. Let's turn that over. Blue, it is square, see? Squares. Is that black? I think that's black. Purple, a bunch of tans. Here's our pretty colors. Pinks, purples, pinks, pinks. Look at that. Got an orange, a couple oranges. We got another like mustard color. Look at the beautiful colors. Aren't they pretty? They're so pretty. Look at them. Oh, look at this one. Love that color, right? More pinks. Peaches. All right, we got to be getting to those ABs. Look at that pretty yellow. Buttery yellow. Very nice. All right, I think I found the ABs. Let's see. One more orangey color. Okay, so here are our 3 ABs. Yep, they are white, blue, and yellow. Very nice. White, blue, and yellow. Very pretty colors. I don't think I've ever had this blue in an AB before. It's pretty. It's like a cornflower color. If you know what a cornflower is, that's what that reminds me of. So the coating on them, the iridescent coating, makes them really sparkly and shimmery and pretty. And they're going to be so pretty on the canvas. We got to figure out where they go, though. Where do those go? Let's see. All right, you guys, go over here. I know. Oh, hang on, hang on. They're hanging on. Get off, get off, get off. I made a mess, didn't I? Made a mess. Okay, so let's see. The H, the little H is the white. Okay, so like this little speckle up here, These little star looking things have the H's. This has the H. There's some H in her arms. Okay. And there's some H's right here highlighting on her face. That's where our H's are. Oh, and these little dots. See the little white dots over here? Can you see them? See them? See the white dots? Those are AB. Okay. The Y. The Y is the yellow. Okay. So it goes through this little swirl of her hair here. All right. That's AB. There's some in here. Some in her hair here and here. So they're all going to be in her hair. Here, here, a few up in here. So where you see the yellow, we're going to have some AB. Nice, 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 nice. And then the blue is an up arrow, and that's down here. In her tights, the blue, and some in her eyes. Okay, her eyes get AB, and then some way up here in the corner up here. We have some of the blue AB. So, I mean, they're spread all over. I mean, you get ABs all over this canvas, which is cool. I like that. Very nice. Very, very nice. So, yeah, like I said, she was cute. She's the breast cancer girl. She's small, and I thought, yep, this is a Jasmine Beckett I like. Okay, so that's what I have today from Craftibly, you guys. I know you're going to see a bunch of them. I'm spreading them out, you know. I had to think, do I want to do them all boom, 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 or spread them out a little bit? I've decided to spread them out. Keep you guys interested in Craftibly. Keep you going back. They got more stuff to sell. You got to go back, you know. You got to go check out new stuff, right? All right. So that's what I have today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you enjoyed it. Look at her. Isn't she cute? Start date, finish date. She is cute. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. And don't forget, you can use my code, Mindy15, and save some money when you go purchase from Craftibly. So, I will talk to everybody soon. Thank you for watching, liking, subscribing, supporting me in all the ways you support me. I appreciate it so much. Okay. I will talk to y'all soon. All right. Have a great day. Bye.